Puzzle Wolf, and today we are doing something new. Yeah, I know this isn't the usual Godzilla toy review from NECA, but here it is. Yes. Today we are looking at the Oculus Quest. Yes, I know this is very expensive, but I still haven't opened it yet. I want to open it with you guys. So, let's get to it. I got it. There we go. Yes, it's all coming together. Now what do I do with this? It's attacking. And here, the beautiful beast is the Oculus Quest. I just noticed I only took the plastic off. Honestly, I'm just trying to make this video as long as possible. Oh, I see. Oh. Okay. So, as you've seen, here's the front of the box. Very purplish. There's nothing on the sides. Here's the back of the box. With some of the games that's on it, not included. The top of the box, yes, I got the 64 gig. The bottom is just some registration stuff. Ugh. This beautiful beast has the Oculus logo right here. That's definitely a different material. This is just thrown on. I think it's a sticker, but I think do this. Oh dang! Okay, so here's the inside. This little bit stuff to keep it in. Just put this over here. Before we get on to this beautiful quest, I am going to review some other stuff in it. So we have the little accessories. Oh crap! Okay, so yeah, like I said before, my set fell down. I'm gonna be doing these little things first. Okay, so first of all, I do not know what this does. A little charger thing. Ooh, what's this? Oh, batteries. Oh crap. You have batteries. It comes with batteries. I love that. I'll put those aside for now. So we have a thick little booklet. God. Yes. Then we have an Oculus reference guide. Oh. Oh, so this is a little extender. That's what this piece does. Okay, that's cool to know. So I'm not gonna. First of all, I'm not gonna show myself putting this on because I'm not showing my face yet. Okay. Then we have this. Ooh, that was cool. Just peeled right off. Oh, I have another one. Okay, then poof. It all comes apart. Ooh. Ooh, okay, so it plugs in from the side. This, I'm going to guess, plug in like this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'll keep this over here for now. This box, this looks amazing. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. There we go. Okay, here it is. Time for the grand reveal. Ow. Okay, yeah, the app is there. Ooh, look at this. I'm not gonna take that off right now. Take that off when I need it. Okay, so tightening. What's this do? Oh, it pushes them closer together. Okay, that's neat. I like that. Yeah, I see. So, I'm supposed to take this off if you need this. Oh, crap. Yeah, so if you want to extend this a bit, put this on. Take this off, put this on there, and click it back on. So we have a warning label. It says reduce risk of personal injury is blah blah blah. So we have the nice Oculus symbol right there. I need to hold these in so it's easier for me to handle this. There we go. That's a lot better. Yeah, Oculus right there. There's 4 cameras, maybe 5. No, okay, only 4. It has 2 headphone jacks, one right here, one right here. Here for the volume. And like I said, this right there will close and open. And yep, it has like lens stuff right there. So, okay, so there's that done. Now I need to do the controllers. Here we go. Ooh, defines the right and left. I like that. I think I'm gonna take that off. Oh yeah, battery pack. So that's what those are for. Okay. I thought it was gonna be for the headset for some reason. Okay, so first off, we have nice logos right here. Oh, those aren't stickers. That's pressed in, actually. Really like that. So we have a bright sticker. We can take that off. I think I'm gonna keep that on. We have a little Oculus button right here, and A, B, joystick. Ooh, nice and comfortable. Definitely like that. Has a button here that I think that should be for grabbing. It has a trigger. This feels very comfortable. You can see a full view of my hand. Then we have left another sticker here. I think settings button. I don't know. We have X and Y. Another joystick. Feels very good too. Another pressed in logo. Again, a button here, and also a trigger. Honestly, these don't have, like, how about, like, posability? Ooh, spooky. Like that, you know? That makes sense. I think I might do a size comparison with this. Cue montage logo, because I'm too lazy to put this in myself. I'm mainly too lazy to put in... Oh, wait! I almost forgot. We have straps. Nice. As I start putting so I just tried it on. It's very comfortable. And right down here, you can see out of that. That really sucks, but, you know, you can always put, like, some material right there to stop that. But, yeah, this is great. If I'm able to record with this, I will be able to make YouTube videos on it, and I really want to do that. That would be great to make YouTube videos with VR. Yeah, and also I discovered this is for glasses. I am not nearsighted. No, sorry. No, I'm not farsighted. I'm nearsighted. So I wear glasses. That's something new to help whoever's trying to figure out who I am what I look like. That'll help you. Yeah, but then this is a really long cable. Wait, where does it even plug in? Pairing button right here. Oh, here it is. So, if I can find the end of it. There it is. So this will plug in right there. Or wait, can it go upside? Yeah. So you can play while it's charging too. That's nice. Looks like, yeah, there should be a little light right there to ensure that it's charging. Plugging it in, plugging it in, cue montage music because I'm too lazy to put it in, and I don't know if it's charging. Yeet. Well, it's charging right now, so I'll make an update video when I'm first starting it up. So, I guess I'll see you guys later, and I left my glasses here. Bye!